Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix how to fix Instagram video story problem. To know how to fix Instagram video story problem, you should just go here to settings as you see and we will click. After that, in this page you should to go apps here and we will click like this. After that, in this list you should to go to Instagram as you see here, and then when you will see this page here you will go to force stop and you will click, and then here you will go to storage. When you will click here for stop you will go to storage and you will click here, and then here in this page you will go to clear cache, and after that you will click clear data. So then you can turn off your Wi-Fi here as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.